Are you tired of manually posting updates to your Telegram group? Learn how to connect Telegram to Whop in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps to link your accounts. First, log into Whop and access your settings. Start by logging into your Whop account with your credentials. Then, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now, go to Settings from the drop-down menu. In Settings, click on Connected Accounts. Next, click the Add button next to Telegram. Finally, follow the prompts to link your Telegram account and authorize the connection. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.